Trading crypto is easy, but what's difficult is finding the best exchange and having the less fees, because that's going to allow you to build more profit. Well, guys, that just became easy today because I'm going to show you a video with the best crypto exchange, which of course is Bybit, using the lowest fees. Now let's get into this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, do this for educational purposes, but what I do is find exchanges that are incredible to trade on and give you bonuses like this. If you actually deposit $100 as a new customer right now, my link down below, you're gonna get $20 given to you as long as you KYC within 7 days, guys. This is incredible offer because you're gonna get free money to trade with. So let's get into it. Here it is, Bybit. This is the exchange with the lowest fees in my opinion. And guys, you can do an array of things on here, right? Absolutely incredible exchange where you can go from being a beginner trader to an experienced trader inside this ecosystem. Now, the reason most traders are here, okay, is because of the zero fees and how easy it is to get started. Now, to get an account, guys, just hit that link down below, follow along this video, create your account, all right? Very easily, make a deposit and start trading. If you deposit $100, you're gonna get $20 given back to you for free as long as you KYC, okay, within the 7 days of signing up. Not just that, the Bybit card is going to give you 10% cashback, 8% APR, and you can get involved with all the different tools. But what's really interesting is the fees, guys. There is a 0% fee. It is fully transparent, and they tell you every single thing about the fees. Okay, guys, and you start to learn more in the more section up here. You can actually go to the help center, all right, guys, and start learning about the fees that you're going to pay. Whether you are doing deposits in crypto, whether you're depositing with your bank account, okay, I'll tell you everything you want to do. Just simply ask a question. Okay, if you type in how many fees, for example, okay, in search, it's going to come up with different articles, how to manage your tokens, okay, and talk about fees here. Look, spot margin trading, fees explained. And guys, when you dive into this, you'll realize that these are so much cheaper, so little fees compared to the biggest programs out there. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. We're talking about Coinbase, we're talking about Binance. Okay, what I love about this, it actually shows you breakdowns of all the fees. Okay, they don't hide it. You can go straight into the Bybit trading fee structure and it'll show you exactly what kind of fees we're talking about, guys. Now, this is unique. Not many trading exchanges like to show you because their fees are so high so they can make so much money. Bybit is showing you that they actually take next to zero, all right? This is base trading fee rates that you can see here. We're going to the spot trading fee rates. The VIP will determine the different fees, okay, guys, and more. And you can see here, just for more details, spot trading, fees explains, Bybit spot margin. Even if you go into the difference between maker odds and taker, it will show you everything you need to know. And what does that mean? That means, guys, when you're in the market here and you're looking to buy or sell or trade any of the cryptos, you're going to make so much more profit for not having to give that many fees to all these different people. That is the key to crypto trading. There you go, guys. What a fantastic platform. Make sure you hit that link and get that $20 bonus when you deposit $100, okay? Let's go with Bybit, and please do me a massive favor. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. Trade safely, and let's make some money.